Hello guys, this is how to sign up to Midjourney. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So now you're gonna head into your web browser and type in midjourney.com. And that should open up that page right there, and we're gonna join the beta. And that should take us to the Discord page. And we're gonna have to come up with the username. So whatever username that you like, go ahead and type that in there. And then click continue. Then we're gonna verify that we are human. Then the next step would be to put in our birthday. Go ahead and put in your birthday, click done. And then we're going to put in our email and then create a password. And then you'll go ahead and claim the account. So it says right there that that email address has already been registered. That is because I already have a Discord account. So that is how you set up the Midjourney account. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.